Hey everyone, Jamie with Port St. Lucie Mortgage Brokers. Hope you're having a fantastic Monday evening. Today's November 7th, 2022, and this is my open house journey update 1 week later. Before I dive in, I did want to talk about the storm that is brewing in the Atlantic. Not sure if it's going to be Tropical Storm Nicole or Hurricane Nicole, and it's projected, forecasted to come into the Treasure Coast area, kind of the West Palm, Port St. Lucie area, but the cone is pretty big at this point from what we see. The first thing, obviously, is safety. Take shelter, things like that, protect your home and your family during these times. As it's forecasted to come in this week, if you are going through a purchase or refinance closing in these days, it may be affected. Some insurance companies are not binding during that time. They usually don't. Also, if your closing is after the storm passes, your lender may require a reinspection of the home to ensure that there was no damage during the storm. So just things to keep in mind. It may affect your closing date. It may affect your lock, right? Your lock expiration date. There may be additional costs. Speak with your lender, and of course, they're there to guide you. But the most important thing, obviously, is safety for you and your family. Now, digging into our update, our open house update. So the update, there's nothing been updated. The houses have not gone under contract even after, and I'm gonna scroll in here, even after our $30,000 deduction on price. It's been now 2 weeks since it's been at 409. No buyers, still showing as for sale on realtor.com. So now it's up to 123 days. So we will keep monitoring that to kind of see what happens with the market on this home. But as you can see, 425, 399, 409, nothing has changed. Still showing as for sale. None of them are showing as pending or contingent. And here is the older home that we have touched on. So if you missed the video, the original video about how I came across these three homes, I'll go ahead and link it here at the end. But there has not been an update. We will continue to follow it, see what happens. I'm excited to see what the market is doing and how buyers are reacting to these price drops. And more importantly, what are sellers doing to get their homes sold? We will find out. See you on the next one. Bye.